5. Persistence. Why the persistence? Randy Pausch said in his last lecture, the brick walls are there for a reason. That brick walls are there to keep us out. Brick walls are there to give us a chance to show what we want something. Because the brick walls to avoid people they do not want to the bad enough. They're there to stop the other people. RSD, 2013. That's why you need persistence to cross the brick walls or obstacles in life to get what you want. All the life he told the things you cannot do. All your life, they will say it's not good enough or talented enough or strong. They will say you are wrong height or the wrong weight or the wrong type to play this or be this or achieve. They will say no, 1,000 times no. So all very well is felt. All your life they will say no. Very strong and very fast, and you will say yes. Remember that people say you will not and cannot. They are afraid and scared that you will probably. Ozzy, 2013, advises, remember that significance/transcendence is a conscious process. These things will make you feel comes naturally to you, even dangerous. Friend Chi to fear. And remember to get to the other side, repeating aware proposals. Going to go through more and more until you are comfortable doing the natural, the unexpected and impossible. You transform moving. RSD, 2013. Tyler, 2013, explains that we live in a society where the idea is that a valid excuse not to act really bad feelings. Most people really think I'm very afraid is the reason why some valid to do. I will not do what I have to do the work, it will just take too long, it's hard work, it's too long, I do not feel good, I will not do. This is the kind of society we live in. RSD, 2013. Can you prove me wrong? Got courage to do what you have? Take everything for a while, it takes time, be persistent. Remain calm and move on. Arrow can be shot only by pulling back. When life drags you back with difficulties, I imagine it will launch into something big. Napoleon Hill advised to develop perseverance. How to develop persistence? 1. A definite purpose supported by a strong desire to achieve. 2. There is a definite plan, expressed in continuous operation. 3. Mind securely closed against negative influences and discouraging. 4. The league pleasant/friendly alliance, a person or an incentive to continue with a plan and a purpose. Think and Grow Rich, ch. 8, shared by RSD, 2013.